All right, how you doing? So today we're going to be making some simple mashed potatoes. Now, mashed potatoes, of course, is one of the wonders of the world. No doubt you agree with me. A British classic, fantastic with a Sunday roast along with, sort of roast lamb, chicken or beef and all the trimmings. But also fantastic with bubble and squeak. So bubble and squeak, if you don't know, is some mashed potatoes, some onions and some cabbage, cooked cabbage. So all sort of leftover thing mixed together and fried. You can grab that and make that into kind of some balls, put some curry spices into it and kind of, fry them, make little pates out of it, for example. Or with fish fingers, peas or beans. Lovely. Let's get on with it. Okay, so what I've done there is I've peeled my potatoes and cut them into, fairly chunky bits like that. You can cut them small if you want. Don't cut them too small, or else they get waterlogged. We're just going to drop in a couple of teaspoons of salt. There's cold water in there that's just covered them. That's going to go on the stove. We're going to bring it to the boil, and we're going to cook them until they're nice and soft. Very, very easy. Okay, these are done. Off goes the heat. Look, knife goes in. See that? It's not coming out at all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What we're going to do now is drain them off, get rid of the water, put the potatoes back into that pot. Okay, so potatoes in there. You can see they're nice and soft. Potato masher like that. We've got to get in, do a bit of hard work now. 3 minutes. Keep going. These are going to be fantastic. Okay, that was about 3 minutes. We're going to now add some black pepper, as much or as little as you like. I like a nice generous amount. We're then going to add some butter, a nice big piece of butter. Again, you can just eyeball this and do it however you want. Now look, we're going to put some milk in, but don't put your milk in yet. First, we need to mash for another couple of minutes. Okay, perfect. Now, drop of milk. You don't want to put too much in. Again, eyeball it. And get it exactly how you want. We're just going to wooden spoon that milk in now. And it's done. Just give it a really good mix now. Now, if you put your milk in with the butter and the pepper, it's really just hard to mash. Once the liquid of milk goes in, you can put cream in there if you want. Now look, if you want, get some cheddar cheese in there, get some sweet corn in there, run some fresh parsley for it, a bit of chili, you can start adding loads of bits and pieces to it really. But yeah, this is a bit of a classic straight mash. And we can use this not only just to eat, with a Sunday roast, but that's great for a shepherd's pie or a cottage pie, a pie with the potato on the top. You can also grab it, make it into some sort of patties and fry them. And again, you could be adding some sort of curry spices to that to do that. But yeah, really versatile, beautiful. I love that. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.